Coinbase used to be one of the more expensive places to buy cryptocurrency in Singapore because you could only buy crypto with a credit card. This could all change with the new features that Coinbase just released, and I'll be going through all of them in this video, as well as compare the features with Crypto.com. Coinbase is one of the crypto companies that have received an in-principle approval for the DPT licenses that are issued by MAS. This allows Singaporeans to sign up for a Coinbase account with SingPass, which makes the onboarding process much faster. What's more, you can now both deposit and withdraw SGD from Coinbase, and this provides you with another method to both on-ramp and off-ramp crypto. If you have not signed up for a Coinbase account yet, you can use my referral link in the description below, and we will both receive $13 worth of Bitcoin if you buy or sell at least $134 worth of assets on Coinbase. If you're wondering why these numbers are so weird, they are actually the equivalent amounts of USD that are converted into SGD. Now that you have a Coinbase account, there's this brand new option that allows you to deposit SGD. This will give you some details that can add as a payee to your bank account, and this is how it will look like on DBS. Coinbase does not require you to enter a reference number when you are transferring funds to your account. I would think that you need to transfer SGD from a bank account that's under the same name as your Coinbase account. You can let me know in the comments as well if your bank account number is different from the one that you see here. The process of transferring SGD into Coinbase was actually rather fast, and I initiated the transfer at about 10:22, and within 2 minutes I was able to receive my deposit on Coinbase. Now that you have SGD in Coinbase and you're looking to withdraw it, the process is also rather straightforward. You can go to My Assets, select SGD, and there will now be this cash out option. You can then cash out SGD into the bank account that you previously used to deposit into Coinbase. Although Coinbase mentioned that it will take about 5 days before the funds will be sent to your account, I was able to receive my withdrawal on the day itself. You are now able to use your SGD funds to buy cryptocurrencies. And previously you were only able to buy cryptocurrencies using a credit card, but now you are able to use your SGD wallet as well. You can enter the amount of SGD that you wish to buy a cryptocurrency, but if you look at the rates that you are being offered, you may notice that you are charged both a Coinbase fee as well as some GST. This can be quite pricey, where you're paying more than $1 for every $10 worth of crypto that you're buying on Coinbase. The same rates will also apply for most cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, as well as USDT. While I was playing around with the different cryptocurrencies, I actually realized that Coinbase does not charge any fees if you're buying USDC from SGD. USDC is actually issued by both Coinbase and Circle, so it kind of makes sense that they want to promote their stablecoin. Coinbase recently launched a campaign where they tried to encourage users to convert their USDT into USDC, and you can find out more about that in my video in the description. If you're converting SGD into USDC, you can see that the rates are actually not too bad. You'll be roughly losing 4 cents from the market rate for every $10 of SGD that you're converting. This is actually not too bad unless you're intending to convert a huge amount of SGD. Now that you have USDC inside your Coinbase account, you can use this to convert into another cryptocurrency. You can go to convert instead, and you can swap your USDC into any of these cryptocurrencies that are listed on Coinbase. Let's say that you want to buy Ethereum from USDC. This is the amount of Ethereum that you receive from this trade. There will actually be some hidden fees that you need to pay, as well as the spread involved when converting from one cryptocurrency to another. I'll be comparing this rate with the one that you receive if you are making this trade on the decentralized exchange. DeFi Llama has aggregated all of these rates from the various decentralized exchanges, and this will be the amount of Ethereum that you receive on the Polygon network when you swap USDC into wrapped Ethereum. The amount of Ethereum that you receive will be higher compared to the rates that you get on Coinbase. If you're trading a large amount of USDC, you may experience a lot of slippage and spread, and the amount of tokens that you receive from the trade may be much lower than what you expected. I would recommend that you withdraw USDC into your own non-custodial wallet and then use a decentralized exchange to make the swap. In most cases, you should be able to get better rates compared to when you are swapping on Coinbase itself. Another benefit of withdrawing USDC into your own non-custodial wallet is that you have full ownership of your assets. If you heard of the saying, not your keys, not your crypto, it will be safer for you to have your assets on a non-custodial wallet compared to a centralized exchange like Coinbase. The best part about withdrawing USDC from Coinbase is that it does not charge any withdrawal fees. You will need to copy over a wallet address, and the one that I'm using is from MetaMask. If you're not too sure about this entire process, you can let me know down in the comments below. Coinbase requires you to declare who this wallet address belongs to. If you're sending it to your own personal wallet, you can select this option here. Coinbase allows you to withdraw USDC using any of these 4 networks. The best part is that withdrawals are free, even on the Ethereum network, where gas fees are supposed to be higher. You can also use this method to withdraw USDC into Binance. If you have passed your KYC, it is possible for you to make spot trades on Binance's platform. One advantage of Binance over Coinbase is that it allows you to trade a wider variety of cryptocurrencies, which can be quite attractive if you're looking to buy some of these low-cap altcoins. Binance currently does not allow you to deposit USD or SGD. What you can do instead is to deposit SGD into Coinbase, convert it into USDC, then you can copy the deposit address from Binance and transfer USDC from Coinbase to Binance. The only drawback is that Binance has now remove the auto conversion between BUSD and USDC. This means that you need to swap USDC into USDT, and this will give you the ability to buy all of these cryptocurrencies that are listed on Binance. Another platform that offers deposits and withdrawals of SGD is Crypto.com. Here's a quick comparison between both of these platforms so that you can choose which one is better for you. If we compare the rates of buying USDC from SGD, Crypto.com actually has a lower rate of 1.34 SGD compared to Coinbase's 1.35. The rates for selling USDC back into SGD is the same for both platforms at about 1.33 SGD. Here's a snapshot of the rates that you receive when converting USDC into Ethereum on both platforms. The rates are actually very similar to each other, so there's not much differences in the exchange rates between both of these platforms. Both Crypto.com and Coinbase do not charge any fees when you are depositing or withdrawing SGD. However, Crypto.com requires you to withdraw a minimum of 50 SGD per transaction. This may be quite high for you if you are looking to cash out your profits, so off-ramping via Coinbase may be the better option. If you compare withdrawing USDC out of both Crypto.com and Coinbase, it is free to do so on Coinbase, but Crypto.com will charge a withdrawal fee, and this depends on which network that you're using to withdraw your funds. Both of these platforms are actually rather similar, and let me know in the comments which one you'll be using for both on-ramping and off-ramping crypto. There's actually a third method that you can use to on-ramp crypto in Singapore, and check out my video here where I show you how you can potentially save on more fees.